What is up, you guys? Welcome to another vlog. In this vlog, we are tackling the front living room. So we kind of took the futon out, we're clearing it out a little bit, so I will show you guys where we're at. So this is the futon little pad. We moved the futon out and look! This is the wall we're going to paint. You know what might actually look good is that huge plant I have in my film room.
I was going to order another one from IKEA.
Oh.
I have an IKEA shopping list already.
Okay.
I'll show you what it is, but right here.
I think like a plant, look, a big plant though, here.
Yeah, that's what
A mini circle table in the middle, and then that thin gold lamp. And then of course we'll have, oh yeah, that's sick. I'm scared.
I am, because you don't even...
Because I don't what?
Nothing.
That's it, just like that. And the point is that they're not all supposed to be like hella perfect, you know?
Yeah.
Like some I like to be a little shorter. Like that?
Yeah.
Are you lying?
No. Wow. Smooth.
What is up, you guys? It is Saturday morning. Well, it's like 11, but morning enough. Carlos and I have just been working on that front living room for the last hour or so. We obviously the other day we got the accent wall. I don't know if it's obvious. I don't know if you've seen it yet actually, but we did the accent wall when you first walk in the house, that front living room. And then he made some triangle shelves similar to these, you know, similar to those, same like size, like wood, and same stain. So we made some triangle ones though, because we wanted to do something a little bit different. We got those hung up. Yesterday we ran to Lowe's just to get a plant and a couple other things. It's a pretty good sized plant. It's more like a tree, not a plant, but we're thinking it still might be a little bit too small. So we're just trying to kind of place things here and there and stand back and just look at it and then decide what we want to switch. So we got the triangle shelves up on the wall. I just put random decor up there for now. I'm ordering on IKEA actually some, which I don't know where my phone went, some like more like hanging looking plant, so it kind of hangs off of the shelf. And yeah, so we're trying to just pretty much get that living room situated. We're also thinking of ideas for above our little bar cart. We're thinking maybe like a neon sign. We're not sure yet. So we're just kind of like planning things out as of right now. Also, we have a special little delivery coming today. I don't know what that was. Between 12 and 2. And I am so excited. And I say that now, but I'm probably gonna hate life later. But I will show you guys when the time comes what is coming. I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. Today is Saturday. What does that mean? It's weigh-in day, which I have yet to weigh in, but I'm gonna go do that in a minute. It's just like a whole thing because I weigh butt naked. So I just don't want to go take off all my clothes right now, but I'm excited to weigh. I hope I've lost, even if it's just a little bit. Last week I kind of lost a good amount, to almost 2.5 pounds, which you're supposed to lose 1 to 2 a week. So I kind of was over that. So I'm not expecting to like lose a crazy amount or anything this week, but we shall see. All right, so I just weighed and I am 261.9. Last week I was 262.6. So I lost 0.7, which actually I'm excited about. And I'm in the 261s, so I get to go color in another square. I'm not gonna be super particular on like colors that I'm using. So I was 261.9. I barely made it. I think I'm gonna write above each weigh-in exactly what I was, just so I remember. This one, I was 262.6. This one I was 261.9. I have a ways to go before I get to what I would like to be on wedding day, but also I have over 1.5 years, so I could totally reach that. This one, just in case you guys didn't see the first vlog where I mentioned this chart, this one with the little just lines, that indicates like the lowest weight I've ever been, because when I first started my weight loss journey, I was like 231 point something, and then 215, like I said, is what I'd ideally like to be on my wedding day. And then I think 200 would just be an ideal weight for me. I'm not trying to be over here, trying to be skinny as can be. I just want to be, you know, at a healthy weight and feel amazing. So I say 200, but who knows? Could be more, could be less. This is just kind of a little bit of a guide, but I am so excited about this. If anybody else is on like a weight loss journey and doing a chart similar to this one, let me know. I got this idea actually from TikTok, so definitely let me know. Thank you so much. Awesome. Appreciate it. Thank you. Ooh. As you guys see, we got the Peloton. That was our special little delivery. I'm so excited to be able to work out from home now. I mean, I could have worked out from home anyway, but I thought this would be fantastic. And just something new. I will say we set it up. I kind of, I wanted to do like just a 20-minute beginner class, but that seat is so tiny. It was literally going up my butt and it hurt so bad that I couldn't take it anymore. I already, before it was even delivered a couple days ago, we ordered a bigger, like wider, like cushier seat because your girl got a big butt. So once that comes, these workouts are on and popping because it's gonna be so much fun. I can already tell. So yeah, we got a Peloton. What is up, you guys? Good morning. I hope you're doing well. Your girl got up this morning, did my Peloton ride, took a shower, made a little bit of coffee, and now I'm going to get halfway decent looking, just presentable, because I have 2 Zoom meetings today. The first one I set up with my students, so I'm excited to see them. And then the second one is just a staff meeting. So yeah, I kind of put all of my makeup away. What I usually would use as my vanity, I don't. I use it as my desk. So I need to find all my stuff, and I'm not gonna do like a full face or anything, but I'm gonna make myself look halfway decent. So I don't know if I put the clip of us getting the Peloton in this video that I haven't edited yet, or if it was in the last one. Cannot remember. But if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know I got a Peloton. If you guys want to follow me, I will follow you back. We can keep each other motivated. Just letting you know, I've never in my life taken a spin class or done any sort of like cycling. So I'm doing the 20-minute ones and it's killing me. Killing me. Okay, so I might be doing 20-minute rides for quite a while, and then I'll slowly start increasing because wow, they're exhausting, literally exhausting, but I absolutely love the Peloton so far. I know, I think one of you guys has added me already. I think that person found me from my Instagram posts. So yeah, if you guys want to follow me, if you have a Peloton, we can hold each other accountable. I have not yet done any like group rides, I guess. To be honest, I don't even know how that all works. My sister ordered a Peloton. It should be here in June, so I was gonna do some rides with her. I guess you can like see each other. I really don't even know. I should know, but I don't. So, anywho, add me there if you'd like to. In the meantime, I'm going to watch a YouTube video and get halfway decent looking. So, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I have my Zoom meeting in like 5 minutes or so. I just had a parent call me actually because they can't figure it out. So I kind of walked them through it. My hair's still wet, but this is the best they're gonna get. I just did just a very natural look. I literally just used concealer, a powder, bronzer, teeny bit of blush, and some mascara. You guys, my lashes are so short. I use this new mascara that everybody's ranting and raving about, the Thrive, like, what is it called? Liquid lash extensions. I like it a lot, actually. I just have short little lashes right now, but I'm trying to use this Babe Lash like growth serum, and I've only been using it for like 2 weeks, so I don't know if it really works. Oh, I didn't even do eyebrows. I might just run this through the brows real quick. Not that it really makes a huge difference. But I'm about to Zoom with my students. I'm hoping that they can all figure it out. We have a lot of parents who they don't really use technology at all. I mean, they have a cell phone, but it's like a flip phone, so they have no idea how to get on Zoom. So I was trying to send instructions step by step, but we will see how many of them make it on. I'm really excited to see them. It's been since the middle of March since I've seen my students, and it makes me so freaking sad. So, God, it's been almost 2 months. 2 freaking months. And I have 4 students this year that are graduating. So it's like we were just gypped the last half of the year pretty much. The last couple of months, I should say. 3 months. Time I could have spent with them. It's just such a bummer, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm just hoping that I can see them now. I might actually log on. I'm the creator of this Zoom meeting, so people can't add until I'm there. So I almost want to just log in a few minutes early to see if anybody tries to get there a little bit early. So that is what I'm gonna do now. just brought this rug in and we're not totally loving it, but we're not like hating it either. It's just dirty. It definitely needs to be cleaned. But I'm thinking if it was oval, it would be better. I don't know. But it's coming along.
I like this one.
What do you think, Cash? I know. Yeah, this one's for the Peloton, but that would be way too much with that wall. Peloton.
Good boy. Good boy.